So good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is another vlog, obviously. I am going to finish getting dressed. I'm not wearing this today. This is just my little house shirt. Woke up, did some cleaning, took a shower, did my makeup. I am about to get ready or finish getting ready. And I'm gonna go to a vineyard today. After that, I'm going to make dinner. And I'm gonna make dinner for my grandmother as well, just because the less for her to do, the better. That's just the way I see it. I'm gonna try and do like a little meal prep for her so she like doesn't have to cook lunch or dinner for the rest of the week. And I got her like a few of like her favorite snacks, like her little Activia yogurt and her like, you know, peanuts and stuff. She loves like her snacks. So I have that. About to finish getting ready. I actually need to finish editing a video, which you will see. So you'll see this vlog next week, and the vlog that I'm working on is actually going to go up today. So you'll see this next week, if that makes sense. But yeah, I just took my rollers out. Hair's a little poofier than I wanted it to be, but I do not want to put any heat on my hair, so I decided to just get some rollers yesterday. I just like stopped by Walmart and they had like the little aisle. Let me, if I can find it, let me show you. Okay, so these are the rollers, and it was like $8, I think. It was like $8.20 something cents. So I did that, and then I put on the little like olive, what's it called? Yeah, I used the olive oil moisturizing lotion. So I like put maybe like a dime size or like a quarter size, rubbed it through my fingers, started from my ends onto my roots, and then I put those in. So it came out cute, a little puffy, but it's better than having my hair flat and just wearing it in a ponytail, because I was getting tired of that. But I like how it came out. I do need to put a rinse in my hair because I usually do like a jet black, and it's starting to fade, as you can see. And when it fades, it starts to be like that reddish undertone that you can see that it has. But yeah, I'm going to finish. But yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'm gonna have a little salad just to hold me over. So I'm not like starving by the time I get there, because I did not have breakfast, which was not a good idea. But it's already like almost 1. So let me stop talking and finish like editing this video so I can get it up one time. Okay, so we have a little change of plans. By the time I left my grandmother's house, it was like after 5, and the winery closes at 6. So we decided to just have dinner in the park. We got some Jamaican food. I got oxtail. My husband got some curry goats with rice and peas. And this is like a park that we used to come to all the time. Like when we first started dating, like this was like our spot. Like this was our park. So we haven't been here in a while. So we decided to like come here and just chill for a little bit. But it's nice out. It's like in the 70s, so I'm just glad it's like not humid, because I hate going outside when it's like mad humid and hot and my face is like melting. Yeah, that's what we're doing now. We just actually finished eating, so after this we are probably gonna get a little dessert. Baby, you want dessert? What you want? Ice cream. What's that ice cream spot called that you took me to? Scoop-de-ville. They have really good ice cream. I usually do like a plain vanilla with like nuts and caramel. That's like my thing. That's my zhuzh. If not, I'll get like a cookies and cream, or I'll do like a chocolate. What's the other one? They have like a Cookie Monster ice cream that is really good, but it has so much sugar in it. I try to like be careful with that. It's like way too many calories. But I might have a little Scoop-de-ville. That's what we're gonna do. But it's really pretty out here, and it's so crazy because we usually are on the other side of the park, which is like over there somewhere, and we would always like walk over there, or we'll have like a little picnic or whatever. but we've never actually come to the left side. And the left side, it has like this little gazebo. Is that what it's called? Yeah, it's like a little gazebo, and it has like flowers and stuff, and I didn't even know this was over here. It's like the craziest thing. So I guess that's what's good about changing up routine a little bit. But this is really cute. Say hi, babe. It looks like this. It's like a cute little gazebo, and it has like the little flowers and stuff. Like, how did I not know that this was over here this entire time? So we're gonna go on a quick walk. No, we're on a walk. We're just taking a quick walk, and I can burn off some calories before I eat ice cream, so I don't feel as guilty for eating ice cream. So we finished our walk, and it is slightly drizzling. Not too worried about my hair, but
yeah, right.
I'm more worried about my makeup than my hair. So here's a few of the flavors they do have vegan options if you're vegan. And in the corner, that bright blue is the Cookie Monster ice cream. Oh my god, it's so good. Give me some of that. Thank you. Oh wait, can I get a spoon? No, not me.
Oh my god, my glasses. I'm gonna say the answer.
I did not grab us. That's I didn't get a ticket, thank God. So I got vanilla with nuts and caramel, and I asked her to put a little bit of the Cookie Monster ice cream on top, just like a little scoop, and she didn't charge me for it.